Morning, everyone. Hopefully today my head's in shot. I've had a couple of issues with just being a talking shoulders, but hopefully today I'm going to be in shot. As you can see, we've bought some microphones because the 3 YouTube videos warranted microphones. We've got a fantastic yellow to do today. When I picked this up this morning, I thought, it might be tricky, but with colours like this, generally there is only one variant, and I've already checked it, and there is some light scuffing really. So it's not a big repair, but still it will just be a process. Going to time lapse that, so it shouldn't take too long to actually do. But I'll take you through the full process of buzzing out the damage, scuffing the panel, prepping it, painting it, and then making it shiny again. I have checked. I'm going to bring it in closer in a second. Obviously, with this bumper, it's nice. It's nice shape. This is good job. We can come off this line here. There's a nice strong swage line in here that I can just do a quick back mask on. Blend it in. Job's a good one. So I'll just bring you closer. So as you can see, a bit of scuffing around there, up the top, down low. So it's very much in this section. We've got a little mud guard. I'm going to whip this off. And then, yeah, stay tuned.
Las mujeres de España, Argentinas y Dominicanas, de Perú y Guatemala, Venezuela, Cuba y Ecuador, de Chile y paraguayas, uruguayas y colombianas, México, Nicaragua y El Salvador. Llevan en la sangre el ritmo y el calor. Mira, ya te cuento, su veneno es mi adicción. Baile, fuego y movimiento lento, lento. Son puro amor, mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición, mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión.
Right, so we're mixing 60 grams of this yellow. So we've got yellow. 32 grams, well, 31.91. Hopefully. Ooh. That 78. Bit of basic brown. 215. Glows. Bit of green. I forgot what it was going to be. T4. I'm going to have to take some out for my lack of due diligence of trying to get it on camera. Put too much in. Need about that out again, I think. So looking at this actual paint formula, there's a lot of brilliant white. So we paint a lot of things white. So in 60 gram mix, there's just under 28 grams. So that will tell me that it's going to be quite a good cover. That's why I've gone for the 60 grams really. It normally does sort of, your first coat generally does cover the primer pretty well, and then we're into more of a blending phase with it. So I'm just getting this excess green out. Just a touch more, just a touch. Yay. And we're going to finish this off with a good dash of white paint. Just a little bit more. Yay. I'm going to add some water. Give her a mix. I normally do the sides like that, but not very easy when doing it on camera, but give it a whiz round. Give it a whiz-a-rooney. Beautiful. Give it a wipey. Wipey, wipe. Oh, yes. Give the rim a good wipe. Oh, that was a bad wipe for the rim. Did I get a lid out? Did I? Didn't think I did. Give that a push. The old spin test. And we're ready. Oh, let me just swooze it here on my chair. Oh, right. So, got this primed. As you can see, I've just tried to cut it off sort of as close this way as I can. Just because I haven't got heaps of room to flick this out. But I've taped it up to paint as well. So when I whip this bag off, we've not got to sort of knock the primer back and then tape it up again. So it's just making it a little bit quicker. So I'm just going to whip this bag off. Like so. That was not meant to happen. But we can sort that. No sweat. So yes, as you can see, it's a nice little primer patch. All this sort of overspray primer will pretty much come straight off. So I'm just going to knock it back, clean her up, get it outside, tape it up, well, bag it up, and then give it a spray.
Las mujeres de España, Argentinas y Dominicanas, de Perú y Guatemala, Venezuela, Cuba y Ecuador, de Chile y paraguayas, uruguayas y colombianas, México, Nicaragua y El Salvador. Llevan en la sangre el ritmo y el calor. Mira, ya te cuento, su veneno es mi adicción. Baile, fuego y movimiento lento, lento. Son puro amor, mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición, mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión. Por fin el fin de semana, yo me preparo para salir con calma, emocionado, bien perfumado, pa' que las mujeres me vean presentado. Son las latinas la octava maravilla, brillan y con sus besos todo lo hacen vibrar. Puerto Rico, Belice, Bolivia y Panamá, bien tú sabes que te van a conquistar. En Costa Rica, Honduras y aún hay más, Italia, Francia, Brasil y Portugal. Son puro amor, mujeres latinas son lo mejor. Son corazón, candela que brilla, flama divina. Son emoción, las musas que dictan esta canción. Son bendición, mujeres latinas, su ritmo es mi pasión.
As you can see, sports fans, car's back to new. So all I did, flattened and polished it, give it a shine back up. I was slightly concerned with the colour when I was painting it, because with all like pastel-y colours, if that's the right word, maybe it's not, who knows? They go on lighter and then darken up when you dry it. So it's always a bit funny when you're actually painting it to see it go on dead light and then it go darker as it should. But I think we can all agree it looks pretty good. I'm happy, I'm sure she'll be happy. So if you give us a like, follow, subscribe, you know the jazz. Yeah,